read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Mayam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Alhamdulillah. So, today's letter is letter X. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to identify the lowercase letter X and learn the vocabulary words that start with its sound. So, let's start. Start from second line, come slant down, make an other slant line, it will cross. It will make lowercase letter X. Okay, after teaching this letter, we will introduce its initial sound, not ending sound, that is X. Okay, like look over here, X-ray, Xbox, X-ray fish. You could visualize to the students these flashcards. After that, we will teach the statement, I can play the xylophone and see an X-ray. Okay? You could ask different questions. How many X are there in the above statement? And what is the sound of X? Okay? I hope so you understood this very well and you will teach it excellently. Thank you very much. Ana Hafiz.